Wire that shit to the bank. Wire. How much you want for that rate? 24 inches and I'm finna skate. Roll this scotch well of the face. Getting them rest out of state. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the quarter. Diamonds as cold as water. Diamonds as cold as water. I'm tryna own the border. I'm ready soda.
We fly by, bitches blow me kisses. Niggas from Compton to Brooklyn, come on get your riches. From Crenshaw to 125 and do or die. Rolling with niggas from Long Beach to Long Isle. I hardly smell cause my heart froze. Once I commence my show, I rip apart foes. Now I got one nation, it's a crooked compilation just to end the bullshit. Let's get back to money making, tell them busters that I rolled on.
They'll be here pretty soon, looking through my room for the money.
Oh Lord, I been moving different, seeing colors, new bitches, same brothers, Miley Cyrus.
Daddy ain't around, probably out committing felonies. My favorite rapper used to sing, check out my melody. I wanna live good, so shit, I sell dope for a 4-finger ring. One of them gold ropes. Nana told me if I pass, I get a sheepskin coat. If I can move a few packs, I get the hat. Now that'd be dope. Tossed and turned in my sleep that night. Woke up the next morning, niggas done stole my bike. Different day, same shit.
Girls kneel down, kiss the ring. Mess with your soul like ether. Teach you the king, you know you. Godson across the belly. I prove you lost already. Dover, left for dead, distant, forgotten. Luck ran out. They hope that I be gone, stiff and rotten. Y'all just on me. Spit on my grave, talk about me, laugh behind my back, but in my face, shot some well-wishing, friendly acting, envy, hiding snakes. With your hands out for my money, man, how much can I take when the streets keep?
He said, keep hitting up my phone and asking where I'm at. You be complicated, but still make me laugh. She's a real pain in the ass, but she still get the bag. When I'm mad, I still want her with me. Like the first day we met, first time we had sex. Great. Girl, just hold on to me. Don't be afraid.
I was in my cell, I clicked my heels 3 times. Pink Just Tools, my khaki suit, mastermind, water whip. Toss the coke in the Acapellas, platinum and gold. Ron English hat to the side, immaculate rhyme. It's so obvious, watching the world from up top. Snakeskin binoculars, red companions. Cause X is on the suede mansion. My bedroom had a bedroom. My wrist be dancing.
Man, me, bitch, I was just like this. Why the fuck is you mad?
What you mad for?
If a nigga don't work, then he don't get paid. So why the fuck is you mad?
I ain't got shit for
When I was
nigga.
fucked up, you didn't fuck with me. So why the fuck is you mad?
Tell me that.
Why the fuck is you mad?
What?
Huh? Why the fuck is you mad?
Damn.
Hey, Dow just pulled up in the hood again with some new paper tags.
Got another car?
Got your girl in the passenger seat. She a
Vision and none, he can never get enough. Good enough for the one. For a fortune and quit, but it's hard to admit how it ends and begins. On his face is a map of the world.
Stop. Look at all these money. Hundreds and these fatties. Ain't not that wetney. Now your bitch wanna come wet me, cause we about to go to the mall. Tonight we poppin' bottles. My baby mama a her rat. But now I got me a model. And she wanna swallow. Drink it all up. Straight from the neck, from the bottle. Bitch, you don't need no cop.
Woke up out that coma 2001. About the same time Dre dropped 2001. 3 years later, the album is done. Aftermath presents Nigga with an Attitude, Volume 1. Rap critics politicking, wanna know the outcome. Ready to die, reasonable doubt and doggy style in one. I feel like